This is China's first high-speed train, Xing Hao. Building a high-speed train consists of three primary components: the train chassis, the steering frame, and the final assembly. There are 14,000 workers on 3 production lines, installing 7,100 different types of components. A single high-speed train consists of 55,000 tiny parts. Over 300,000 different companies in China collaborated on parts and research development for China's high-speed railway. This involves multiple industries, independent research and development, and patented goods. These enterprises produce steel, alloys, bearings, high-tech composite materials, and precise digital equipment. There are 254 standards on the Xing Hao high-speed rail. 84% of the criteria are based on China's national standards. Compared to other high-speed rail powerhouses such as Germany and Japan, the Chinese high-speed rail system can certainly compete with or exceed international norms. Today, China's high-speed railway is a formidable challenger to the world's dominant powerhouses. This feat is the result of China's extensive manufacturing industry growth over the last 60 years. Changchun, a city in northeastern China, is known as the brain and control network center for high-speed trains. Changchun has made numerous technical breakthroughs. Qingdao, a city on China's east coast, is the primary chassis, steering frame, and overall assembly center for the high-speed train. Tangshan, a city in northern China, launched the first high-speed rail, the CRH-3. In central China, Suzhou is known as the capital of high-speed train electric motors. The fundamental electric motors and components are made there. Over 700 enterprises in 22 provinces are participating in China's high-speed railway system, including R&D, manufacturing, and a variety of other services. Suzhou is the greatest railway manufacturing and integration hub. Over 320 enterprises in and around Suzhou are active in various fundamental components. The traction control board is at the core of high-speed trains. It consists of 1152 IGBT computer chips. Each chip is around the size of a fingernail. IGBT is a critical component for ensuring high-speed train stability. 3 years ago, China made a huge advance in IGBT technology. It is used in high-speed trains, telecommunications, and aerospace technology. This is the second IGBT production line in the world. This smart production process reduced IGBT production time by 70%. Shandong Longkou is China's largest aluminum extrusion production plant. Aluminum extrusion pieces, such as this sidewall, are used to train the chassis. Each train features a 25-meter-long complicated aluminum extrusion sidewall. This is China's self-invented over 10,000-ton aluminum extrusion machine. This machine is capable of producing enormous, complicated aluminum extrusions. Extrusion power can reach up to 13,500 tons. This beast can push and extrude over 10,000 tons of metal, similar to spaghetti. The entire procedure must remain under 50 degrees Celsius. Previously, the crucial secret of Germany and Japan was how to regulate temperature differences. However, by adjusting the extrusion speed, Chinese experts were able to resolve the temperature differential issue. Currently, the extrusion speed is kept under 4 meters per minute. The finished aluminum sidewall will be shipped to the Dream Factory in Qingdao, which is around 200 kilometers away. Over 10,000 workers established a record for China's speed production. They can finish 3 full train sets in 4 days. The train chassis is a fundamental yet crucial component of the high-speed rail system. Welding phrases will connect the top, sidewall, and chassis. Each rail car is 25 meters long, and deformation must be less than 5 millimeters. To guarantee that the train body remains balanced during welding. As a result, the robotic welding from the outside and the welding staff from the inside must begin concurrently. This ensures the car's quality and lifespan for 30 years. For men will start welding from the chassis to both sides at the same time. These Chinese workers lay the groundwork for China's high-speed rail system to become the world's best. China has more than 25,000 kilometers of high-speed railway, which is more than the total mileage of the world's 2nd to 10th countries combined. By 2020, China's high-speed railway will have traveled over 30,000 kilometers. It will reach around 80% of China's main cities. China's ultimate ambition is to build an 8 vertical and 8 horizontal high-speed rail system. The segment from Chengdu to Yunnan is currently under development. These Chinese engineers must complete this portion before the rainy season arrives in the summer. This is an unprecedented building pace, and it presents a significant challenge to Chinese construction machinery. This is the most significant step forward for humanity on the Earth in terms of constructing a high-speed rail from Sichuan's Middle Valley to Tibet's tallest roof. The main hurdles will be the elevation disparity of almost 14,000 meters, as well as the mountains and valleys that stretch in between. However, this is a centuries-old Chinese dream. It also represents the greatest major challenge to human-created initiatives. China is transforming this dream into reality. 3 180-ton all-terrain trucks will bring the prefabricated large concrete structures to the site. This will be the first large bridge along this railway line to Tibet. Each horizontal T-beam measures 32 meters long and weighs 150 tons. These new all-terrain trucks are a game-changer in railway construction, as huge cargo were previously transported on train lines. All-terrain trucks will bring the beam immediately beneath the bridge-building machinery. The current world record for finishing a bridge is 80 minutes from beam transport to installation completion. This world record is due not just to all-terrain vehicles, but also to China's vast mechanical engineering and production capabilities. China is ready to share its accomplishments with the whole world. We will create more videos to help you understand more about the new China today. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.